Dozens of Metro Vancouver families are calling on Fraser Health to make sure their kids get the treatment they desperately need. A specialist they rely on is leaving, and families don't know if a replacement can be found. CTV's Isabella Zaffarisi has more.
2.5-year-old Layden Fuchs loves to run around with his older brother. The progress the toddler has made is something his mom is in awe of and wants him to continue. But recently, the family found out Layden's specialist will be leaving her practice, leaving Layden's treatment in limbo.
It's heartbreaking. I get quite emotional about it every time that I think, okay, now what are we going to do?
The doctor's doors close next month, putting dozens of other families in the same situation. Layden was born with clubfoot, a condition causing the feet to be turned inward. He had his first casts at only 10 days old and continues to wear specially made boots every night.
I worry if we can't find a provider that he's not going to be able to continue with the amazing progress he's doing.
Getting Layden care hasn't been easy. At 6 weeks, his first specialist retired until Fraser Health found a replacement. Now that replacement is leaving, Fuchs doesn't know what to do.
I'm really nervous and overwhelmed and angry because I feel Fraser Health hasn't followed through with us. They haven't followed through in my child's care, and now we're in the same boat as we were 2 years ago, basically, with no doctor and no one to treat our child.
In a statement to CTV News, Fraser Health says the surgeon decided to pursue new opportunities. Adding its physician recruitment team is actively working to hire a pediatric orthopedic surgeon with an expected start date of July. Fraser Health says its clinics will continue through the end of June with the assistance of a locum physician. Fuchs says she's willing to travel to the U.S. or other provinces to make sure her son gets the help he needs. Layden's last appointment with his doctor is next week.
Who's going to take care of him? He needs to be seen again in 6 months. So who will that doctor be?
Questions Fuchs wants answered, so her son can be the active, carefree toddler he deserves to be. Isabella Zaffarisi, CTV News, Port Moody.